What do I do when there's too much of me, too little of you? What can I say when I know you're not here to stay? I can't explain something I don't understand.
Sunny.
Why did I let this get out of hand?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in my room right now, my bright ass ring light. I'm gonna be showing you guys a little mini room tour, and I'm still actually redoing my room. I'm still adding stuff, taking stuff out. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I wanted to show you guys my room. It's super girly, it's super cute, and it's like, you know, real chill. Like, I love my room so much that I'm just like, I put so much effort into it that I just had to show everybody. And so, you know, I want everybody to enjoy their day because I'm actually gonna be probably posting this video up tomorrow, which is Monday. So everyone enjoy this Sunday or enjoy Monday, whatever, whenever you see this. Let's take a sip of wine. So, all right, so without further ado, let's get to my room tour video. Okay, so when you first come in my room, here's the door, because my room is not supposed to actually be a room, but it's a room. So next to the door or sliding panels, we have my clothing rack, which includes a few jackets, a robe, maybe like a dress or two, and then mostly my shoes that I wear throughout, like on the daily. One thing I like about this is just like I kept it kind of like edgy. You have like jackets, even though it's hot and humid in Texas, still I like to have this up because it's so cute, and it sucks when you kind of don't have like a large, well, how do you say, dresser. And then on the side of that, I have some of my purses. This is my favorite little purse. It's so cute. Got it from Aldo's. And then we have my Luna P backpack. So cute. So I had to put it on front of here so it can look like real, you know, I don't even know, but whatever. And then this is one of my favorite jackets. I got it from a thrift store, and I kind of like destroyed it a little bit, and then on the back there's like a tongue with like a mouth or whatever, and I'm still doing that. I'm in the process, and I could put these cool little buttons on here. So let me let it focus. These are like the Riverdale, because I'm really into Riverdale, like I'm so obsessed. And then I have some Sailor Moon little buttons. They're so cute. Favorite. So if you come over here, oh look, it's me. Hey girl. This is my mirror from IKEA. And then, sorry y'all, this is kind of annoying. My ring light is like, let me see right here. And that's pretty much it. My trash can. And then I got this little background, so cute, from, what did I get it from? It's Etsy, and it's super cute. I think it was probably like $30 or whatever. I just hung it up just so I can use this as a background for YouTube, and that's pretty much it on this side of the room. So if you come over here, here's my little side table in my small little corner. I have my Starbucks little cup, some Target receipts, a candle holder, and then my Hello Kitty Easter plush that I'm probably gonna keep all year round. I don't know, I might change it. And then we have like my little tripod stick. Since I have a small room, I really don't have much room to, like, you know, store it somewhere. So then we come over here. Here is my bed, so cute. My iPad, and then, oh look, some little snacks for us to eat. Okay, sure, don't mind if I do. Sorry, I'm really hungry. So if you come here, here's another mirror, my backpack, my little school backpack, whatever. And then we have my TV that I don't use. It's just for decoration. And then, you know, my little dresser that I got from IKEA. So, you know, that's pretty much, you know, cute, I guess. And then we come over here. this is just like a poncho that I put over. I have so many t-shirts, and since I don't have much room, I had to buy like a little storage container from Target. Still have a tag on it, see? And just to put all my t-shirts in. Now I have like these additional container drawers just to store like hair products, like extra stuff in, I guess, like, I don't know, purses. And then, you know, we got my glass of wine because, you know, I'm of age. Then I got this little 3-tier little cubby cube holder. Most of my perfumes, I actually need to go through these and throw some of these away. My lotions. The first level right here is some candles that I have, some corks, and then I guess like another storage container because I have a lot of knickknacks. And then some more storage bins. And I know what you're probably thinking, like, oh, you're an alcoholic. No, I got these from my friend. And if I was, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then if you come over here, this is like my vanity desk. On the top of that, I have some brushes. I made this bottle myself because I thought it was really cool. I'm like a wino, so like I really do like bottles. When I find like an interesting one, I like to bedazzle it like a weirdo. Here is one of my favorite candles from Bath and Body Works, Tiki Beach. I don't know, whatever. And then this is a Sprint Magic box. So I have Sprint and sometimes my service is bad, so this actually helps. And then here's some of my makeup products, my lipsticks, some lip liners, a cute little photo frame, the outside of my house that you can't see and you probably don't need to see. And then below this we have like just some lippies, Q-tips, makeup removers, you know, personal hygiene stuff. And then I have a little wig at the bottom. Hey girl, what's up? All right, you doing good? Okay, cool. Now if you just come over here and just turn a little bit, we have I guess like a little file wall hanger, whatever you want to call it. I store like my important stuff in here, and you know, just stuff like reminders. I think this is so cute. And then if you come right here, there's my chair, and then my little pillow, and that, some more lipsticks. This is just like a file cabinet that I got from the Container Store, and I actually love it. Let's not open this actually because it's really junky in here. And I just keep like my planner whenever I like to I can't even talk. Whenever I'm like bored or anything, like I'll come over here to sit down, get my planner out and my notebook and just, you know, write some stuff down. And, you know, that's really pretty much it. That's my ring light. So let's move this out the way. But yeah, that's my room. There's like really not really much to show you guys because it's super small, but I really do love it and it's really cozy. And I actually took a lot of stuff out, but this is it, and I'm still gonna be adding more stuff.